Hey EOS friends, this message is for all the leaders out there who are having communication issues with a peer and it is causing extra work for you and your team. The 5 Rules was developed as a tool to help visionaries and integrators create and maintain a strong relationship. This relationship is described as rocket fuel, and the book outlines this tool in detail. The challenge? Most leaders I work with think the tool is only for visionaries and integrators. I can remember a quarterly where the leaders of operations and engineering were frustrated with each other. At some point during our IDS, one of the leaders said, "Hey, the issue's us. We're not on the same page and all the communication issues are on us." They made a commitment to schedule weekly check-ins, and while they never had a best friend relationship, it never came up on the issues list again. So here's how the 5 rules can help you. The first 2 rules are stay on the same page and no end runs. If you are struggling working with a peer, create a same page meeting to proactively work together on the biggest issues impacting your teams. You can get more detail in the book Rocket Fuel, but here's a same page agenda. First, check-in. How are you doing? Personal and professional highs and lows. Second, build an issues list. Third, IDS until time is called. And don't forget to review to-dos and messages to be cascaded to your team before you leave. That's simple, and if done regularly, which is weekly or bi-weekly, it can be a powerful tool for your key relationships. An extra tip, rule number 3 of the 5 rules is the integrator is a tiebreaker. So if you have an issue you cannot seem to agree on, bring it to the Leadership L10 and get it solved. I am reminded of a great trust quote from the late Peter Drucker. The existence of trust does not necessarily mean they like one another, it means they understand one another. The only way to understand one another is to listen to each other and develop a deep understanding of each other's why. So go lead by creating time to listen to each other.